At Northern College, skills are built and not bought. Our 2-year welding engineering technician program is all about the science and technology of welding. You will gain the tools and certifications you need to enter into a high-paying and rewarding career. You will learn the science of welding, how metals interact, and how to create the strongest weld possible from industry experts.
One of the key features of this program is the inspection training. We offer unique classroom training certificates that apply to ultrasound, magnetic particle, liquid penetrant, and radiographic inspection.
You will learn from seasoned instructors with decades of experience in the welding industry. Our partnerships will connect you with cutting-edge research facilities, industry leaders, and Northern College alumni. All of this means great employment opportunities when you graduate.
Class sizes here at Northern College are typically smaller than normal. That is a huge advantage for a lot of students who it lends itself well to basically every student.
Welding professionals are in huge demand across Canada, and with an education from Northern College, you will be amongst the most in-demand professionals. The cooperative education option allows you to earn while you learn, gaining valuable experience that gives you a competitive edge in the job market.
I've had very good experiences in the classroom because we get a lot of hands-on learning as well as theoretical learning with the teachers, and they're very good to adapt to our situation. So if we learn a different way, then they're very good at being able to change the learning.
From the physics behind the weld, to the design of a welding process, to troubleshooting welding power sources, Northern College has you covered.
I would recommend that other students come to this college, especially the welding program, not only because of how many doors it opens for you once you're done, but the teachers here. They're so accommodating, they're understanding. If you have difficulties, they make time for you and help you. That's never been an issue. If you're struggling with assignments, you can always go to them for help. They'll never turn you around. And honestly, if you like a challenge, this program will offer you one.
Find your true north with Northern College. Your adventure begins here.